front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, just go into Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Finally, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Over here, tap on I accept in the pop-up, and now you can adjust all of those settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and then bottom one again. Over here, you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Apply and decide if you wish to apply it to home screen or home screen and lock screen by selecting one of those options. Now when I click on Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!